Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to see exercise 2.3, third question. Let's go to this problem and let's see how to solve this type of questions. So you can see the question here. Obtain all zeros of the polynomial if two of its zeros are root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. So what is the degree of this polynomial? The degree of this polynomial is 4. Why is it 4? Degree of polynomial is 4 because the highest power is 4. So this has at most maximum 4 zeros. 4 zeros. Now let's begin the problem. So when two zeros are given and you have to find other two zeros are given, you have to find the other two zeros. Out of 4, 2 are already given to you. So I'll combine these two zeros and make a quadratic equation first. That is the first step in this type of questions. So we'll begin with this now. We'll combine this both the zeros. So I'll take x is equal to root 5 by 3 and x is equal to minus root 5 by 3. Bring this root 5 by 3 to the left and this root 5 by 3 to the left. So you get here x minus root 5 by 3 and here you get x plus root 5 by 3. When you multiply this both, you can clearly see here this is in the form of a minus b and this is in the form of a plus b. So when the formula for a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square, so I can find the product of these two zeros by using the formula a square minus b square. So this becomes x square and root 5 by 3 whole square. I can cancel square and root. After cancelling square and root, I get only 5 by 3. Now after finding this, we'll find the LCM of denominators. The denominator LCM is 3, so 3 comes over here, then cross multiply 3x square minus 5. This 3 goes to the right, multiplies with 0. 3 into 0 becomes 0. So 3 0 times is 0. Finally we have combined the equation. The quadratic equation is 3x square minus 5. So whenever you get two zeros, you have to combine them and form a quadratic equation. That is the first step. After finding the quadratic equation, you should divide this polynomial with this equation, this quadratic polynomial. That is our second step. So here this is not a new thing for you now, new concept. You have done this in 9th also. But to still recollect your knowledge, let's see how to divide. So I am dividing the polynomial, the given polynomial, that is 3x power 4 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 with 3x square minus 5, which we got just now. So everybody knows the rules of division. You can see the steps here. So we always divide the first term of the dividend with the first term of the divisor, which I have done here. So when I divide this, I get 3 and 3 gets cancelled here. X square and 2 times that is x square gets cancelled, remains finally x square. So after cancelling it, this x square becomes the first term of your quotient. Okay. Now after getting the first term, we'll multiply 3x square with x square, 5 with x square. 3x square with x multiplied with x square is 3x power 4, minus 5 into x square is minus 5x square. Then we need to change the sign. We'll quickly change the signs. So this plus sign become minus here, and this minus sign becomes plus. So this is the first step done. Now we'll cancel 3x power 4 minus 3x power 4. This 6x cube comes in the second step. And minus 2 minus 5, minus 2 plus 5 x square is 3x square. Minus 10x minus 5 can also be taken down. Now following the same step again, dividing the first term, that is 6x cube with a 3x square. Here you can see 6x cube by 3x square. 2 times will be 6, and x square and x square, if I cancel here, remains 1x. So this 2x will go in the quotient. Now again we need to multiply 3x square with 2x. That becomes 3x square into 2x becomes 6x cube, and minus 5 into 2x becomes minus 10x. Change the sign, because in every step we need to change the sign. So this plus 6x cube becomes minus, and this minus 10x becomes plus. So minus plus 6x cube minus 6x cube gets cancelled, and plus 10x, this is plus 10x and this is minus 10x, that also gets cancelled. Remains what? 3x square and minus 5. Again we should follow the same process. Divide the first term. Let's see that now. Again we are in the third step now. Divide the first term with the first term of the divisor, 3x square by 3x square, that gives you 1. This 1 goes in the quotient. Multiplying this with 3x square and minus 5 and writing here. So 3x square into 1 is 3x square, minus 5 into 1 is 5 minus 5. Changing the sign again. Let's change the sign. So plus became minus, and this minus became plus. So minus 3x square plus 3x square minus 5 plus 5 gets cancelled. Finally you get the answer as 0. So this method you have seen in 9th class, and you have done some division problems in this exercise also. So after you divide, after division is completed, what you get here? That is the quotient. So this quotient should be factorized to get 2 more factors. So factorizing this x square plus 2x plus 1 by splitting the middle term, I can write 2x as x and x, and after I take common here, after I take common, I get the factors as x plus 1 and x plus 1. So x will be equal to minus 1 and x will be equal to minus 1. That is, this has same roots, equal roots. So finally, just remember, this are the 2 zeros, minus 1 and minus 1. What are our 2 more zeros? previously which were there in the question. Already two zeros were given in the question, root 5 by 3 minus root 5 by 3. So finally we have got four zeros. So therefore root 5 by 3 minus root 5 by 3 and minus 1 which we have got just now here. Minus 1 minus 1. So these are the other two zeros. So finally we have got four zeros of the polynomial p of x. So this is the way you have to do. So what's nothing is new in this according to me, because you know how to use a plus b, a minus b formula. You can easily find equation, and you know how to divide a polynomial, and after dividing the polynomial you know how to factorize. So I think nothing is difficult in this for you, because you have done lot of practice for these concepts. Still, if you have any doubt, feel free to ask me. Thank you.